Next, Engineer A.J. Chamali, former Speaker of the State House Assembly.
I feel very, very honored and delighted to lead this very powerful delegation from Niger State. Our first assignment as a team, as a delegation, is just to congratulate you. Kindly join me. Put your hands together again for the guy. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Congratulations, sir. As a candidate for the party, we are very, very delighted to have this honor and the opportunity to bring the very warm greetings of our people in every part of Niger State, Niger South, Niger Central, Niger North, everywhere. Just this delegation is bringing to you our congratulations and the prayers that the good Lord will help you to win convincingly, to win effectively, to win outrightly. Do I go on? So that is the first assignment, and we are very, very delighted to have the honor to do. We wish we would have been here earlier, but it wasn't possible. We are glad now that we have this honor to be here. We secondly want to take the opportunity of this visit to assure you of our full support, because our people have been looking forward to the restoration of good governance, the restoration of good leadership, the restoration of all that is good in terms of really ensuring that we deliver for the people, which the PDP under your good self, General Obasanjo and yourself, did in this country when democracy was restored back in Nigeria. You showed to Nigeria together that we can bring peace and stability to the nation. You will restore the good institutions of governance in Nigeria. We should govern with good leadership and distinction. You showed to Nigeria that it is possible for Nigeria to rise. Under your leadership then, together with Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, you restored the kind of international respect for the Federal Republic of Nigeria. In fact, you gathered the nation together in such a way that our economy was growing again, we were employing people again, we are moving forward again, and to the extent that the huge debt which Nigeria inherited and you now took over, together with Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, you did it so excellently that all the debts of Nigeria were completely wiped out. You did an excellent job so that at that time, Nigerians could go abroad and be proud to be Nigerians. We therefore look forward, and many Nigerians are looking forward, that period is coming back again, because you will take over as President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. You have the experience to do it. You will do it excellently. You will do it effectively. You will do it justly, because you're a man of justice, of fairness, of equity, the person who knows how to really restore order. Under your leadership, we believe that this insecurity, in fact, when they hear that you are the new president, they will begin to run. They will begin to run. because we have seen you perform before, and you will do it again by the grace of God. So therefore, the second thing is to assure you of our solid support as we move on with this campaign. And we know that you also will support, because many of our very, very good candidates are standing election, the governorship of Niger State, the deputy governor of Niger State, the senatorial candidates, those going to the House of Rep, including your own son, is going to the House of Rep. We know you will support us so that all of them will win and really, as it were, do you proud, because they will stand firmly for you in the National Assembly so that your policies are always given attention in terms of support of the National Assembly. I know that those senatorial candidates here, do I hear your support? Thirdly, we'd like to take this opportunity to make an appeal. You are a great leader, experienced leader, the one who was there when we formed this party. I'm very, very proud of your humility. I'd like to convey to this delegation that was really honored me as an ordinary member of this party, but one of the founding fathers. He took his telephone, phoned me. If he had asked me to come, I would have rushed here. But he followed that up by coming to my humble house himself. And he gave me an assignment, and I've done very well, I believe, in my assignment. He has cooperated with me immensely. Under my request, he sent a whole delegation to Rivers State to sit with another delegation with Governor Wike. He did it, and the team had a very, very good time, and they reported back to him. We like to enter an appeal, sir. Whatever is happening within the party, you have the ticket. We want you to win. May the good Lord give you the wisdom to be able to take the right decisions for these issues to be resolved finally. Did I speak for you? Can you put your hands together for him? So that is what leadership is all about. What you have given us to do, we've tried to do our best, but in the final analysis, it is your own steps that will now restore the kind of direction and the kind of togetherness which you will require. Ours is to pray for you, but we would like, on behalf of the Niger delegation, because we certainly want this candidate to win, we'd like to appeal to you that in the shortest possible time, may all those issues be brought under control so that we can move together, so that we can win together, so that we can, under you, enjoy another period of peace, good governance, and development in Nigeria. We are very, very proud of that. Let me, in conclusion, like to thank you for asking some of our very, very dear people to work very closely with you. We feel very honored. We see our former governor working very, very closely with you. We thank you very much for being a good ambassador here. And we know that you will continue the good work, because in Niger State, we like peace, we like stability, we like things to be done together. Am I speaking on your behalf? So we thank you very much for being here. We thank our wise my Basira. You also selected one of us, my Basira. And I know that is manifesting Basira. All right? Continue to do the good work. We are very, very proud of you that you're here. Have I left out any other Niger that is working here? Oh, okay. Okay. And all the others that are working. So, I think from this end, you also was here in Niger State. So we know that when you win, you will drop so many of these highly resourceful people from Niger State. In any case, we will not let you, kind of forget them. Many of them would like to serve under you. They're already lobbying me because they know I'm close to Waziri. Sir, congratulations. We hope we'll have the joy and the peace of gathering here again when you win, to come and say, congratulations, President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you very much.
That was the voice of my team.
Leader of the Niger State party leaders and stakeholders, I want to warmly welcome you to your house. And I thank you very much indeed for this, wonderful visit to congratulate me. I think we should be, of course, thinking of how do we win the elections rather than, congratulatory visits. I want to use this opportunity to really thank Professor Gana for his leadership, for his wise counsel, and for his capacity to bring about, different groups to resolve, differences. Yes, I remember very well having called him and approached him to try and facilitate, reconciliatory meetings between Wike and myself, stroke the party, and which he did graciously. And we had our first meeting in his house. So that kicked off the start, of the reconciliation process that is still ongoing. So I want to pay tribute to his sense of patriotism and his sense of love for the party. Having said that, like I said when I came to Mina a few months ago and addressed the party at the secretariat, we lost election in Niger State simply because of disunity amongst you. I would like to appeal again for you to ensure that your differences are resolved so that the party can win in Niger State. Niger State is a PDP state. There is no doubt about that. But minor differences between you brought about our failure in the last or previous elections. So I would like to repeat again this appeal to ensure that there is a united front, just as Gana is working to ensure that there is reconciliation at the national level. He should also look at his backyard and make sure a total reconciliation and unity is achieved in Niger State within the party so that we can win Niger State again or take back Niger State. So Professor Gana, you have a number of responsibilities or multiple responsibilities, both at the state level and at the national level. And I would like to appeal to you to continue to discharge these responsibilities. I want to assure you, just like you have assured me of your support, I want to assure you of my support to make sure that the party wins. And like I have done previously, I will continue to assist and support the party in Niger State in whatever way possible for us to win Niger State. But there will be need for all members, particularly you, the leadership, to be honest, to be dedicated, and to be united. Because what you will get as a government is more beneficial to you and the people of Niger State than what you can get individually. So please put, your individual avarice aside and think about what the benefits of having a government can bring about to a whole state, people, and you individually. So I want to make this passionate appeal, and I hope as leaders, you will heed to this appeal and continue to work towards unity and success of the party in Niger State. I beg you in the name of God. I beg you in the name of Jesus. And I beg you in the name of whatever you believe. So, Professor Jerry Gana, I thank you very much indeed for this visit. God bless you all. I wish you safe return to your respective destinations. Thank you very much.
That was the words of wisdom from Atiku Abubakar.
Fundamentally, one, as a state, to congratulate him, and as a people, to show him that we are one united group. There had been some few misunderstandings in the past, of which our principal had even made reference to, and that could have cost us the election of 2019. But now, for us to win, we must really come together, regardless of whatever differences we might think about. One, we need this win for us to be able, as Niger State is a PDP state. It had been until 2015. And we thought by 2019 we would have captured it. But this time around, we must not fail. And that is the purpose of coming to see our principal and to congratulate him.
Okay, that's at the state level. At the national level, there's an election that would make or mar Nigeria, because a lot of people believe that the APC government has completely failed Nigeria.
But you know, the APC is not a political party. And for me, I'm very happy with whatever things they have put in place, because Nigerians know these people. Nigerians understand that if we want progress, if we want security, if we want our educational system to be one of the best, that we need a change in 2023. And that change is represented, is in Atiku Abubakar.
Okay. What about those that has dissenting voices at the moment in your party?
No.
Look,
The
disagreements, the differences.
For everything that has happened, somebody must lose out, somebody must win. But after lose or win, then you come together and make sure that even those who might have assumed that they have lost, that they are part of the winning team. But where a situation that people don't want to show, this is not the first time that people have lost primaries, and this will not be the last time. But where people have made up their mind to say they must destroy whatever that they do not get because they did not get what they were looking for, I think Nigerians and the PDP members must open their eyes to understand that. However, we must always be ready for reconciliation, but not capitulation. This we must understand.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.